Are there any unexpected benefits you've found? Is there something that as you've just thought, well, that's because we 3D print everything, we never expected that as a benefit? Is there anything that's popped up like that? You know, we speak to people where their staff really enjoy it more, but they can't put a value on the fact they're enjoying their engineering more, or they bring down lead times for spares, or I know you speak about inventory, and we walked round and looked at your inventory, and we said that one and that one and that one, and reduced inventory was important to you. But what else is there? Has there been anything else? Have you enjoyed it more?
I think it makes the designing of parts more fun. You know, because you're being challenged to do something different. You know, if you look at this additional way of doing something, you'd have done a drawing, you'd have given it to, you know, a CNC company or somebody who made them, and would pop that into a computer, and that would have said, yeah, fine, I can do that. I can turn it in different directions, and so I can produce that part. It presents a different challenge because 3D printing can't do what CNC machining can do. Or, you know, if you're doing rotational molding, you know, then you can be a bit clever. You understand what I mean, or
yes,
back forming, that kind of thing. Okay, within the realms of the tooling. But you know, as a simple example, you cannot 3D print a circle upwards. So all of a sudden, you've got to start thinking, okay, what can I do instead of a circle? You know, so you know, you can do your 45 degrees, you can do your teardrop. So it presents you with different. It makes you look at, okay, I'm trying to do. At the moment, we have something called a wash tank bearing mold that we have made out of injection molding, and we have machined that. So before it ends up in the wash tank, it probably goes through 4 or 5 processes before it becomes the finished article. So it's coming out of the injection molding, it's then being finished off, and it's taken off it, then it's having some holes drilled, and then it's having some threads put in. We've looked at and said, okay, how can we 3D print this? Well, realistically, you can't print it as one item because it has too many round holes and threads in it. But what you can do is you can print it as through, yeah, and then bolt those together, yeah, to give you the part that you want. So it presents challenges that are nice challenges to have, yeah, because it's making you rethink, you know, the way that you do things, and that's quite nice because it adds variety into the job. But sometimes, you know, a screw is a screw, a washer is a washer, a stem is a stem, but it isn't that when you're trying to 3D print, yeah. So
yeah, okay.
3D print PSP